The purpose of this video is to explain what happens to the small business limit of a company or group of companies when their passive income goes over a certain limit. Most business owners know that the first $500,000 in in active business income is subject to a really small rate. In 2022 in Ontario, that is 12.2%. And then if we have profits that are over that, we pay a higher rate. We don't get this reduction anymore. That rate is more like 26.5%. One of the rules that came in a couple of years ago now is that if your corporation or group of companies has passive income, that could be non-related rental income, so not renting your own building, but renting to other people, or investment income, stock portfolios, things like that that pay interest and dividends and capital gains. If your passive income goes over $50,000, that's just kind of the start. Every dollar after that reduces your small business limit by $5. So if you go over, if your investment income is $60,000, that's $10,000 greater than 50. We lose $50,000 of small business limits. Now your group of companies doesn't get to pay 12.5% on 500,000. It would only get to pay 12.5% on 450,000. As that investment income grows up to 150, we're now at $150,000 of passive income. We are now $100,000 over that $50,000 baseline or benchmark, which means we are losing 500,000 or all of our small business limit for that year. That can leave less money behind in the company because now we're not going to earn 500,000 and pay 75-ish thousand dollars in tax on 12%. We're going to pay a whole lot more at 26%. The good news in the long run is when that money comes out to you personally, the effect of the small business limit and a big tax on a non-eligible dividend versus the general rate at 26% and an eligible dividend is not huge. It changes every year and it's a little bit different based on your personal tax situation. But at the end of the day, the difference is really small. However, this is something we want to manage and monitor to protect your cash flow. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out.